In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the lower grille on your Chevy Sonic. This will be located on the front bumper. Let's get started. Using a T20 bit, we're going to remove the 2 screws on the bottom for the front fender liner. There should be one more right here on a bracket, but ours is missing. Do the same thing on the other side. Remove the 3 T20 screws in the inner fender liner. There's one more all the way in the top. This is for the front bumper. Pull the front fender liner back. Do the same thing on the other side. Using a trim tool, we're going to pop all of the plastic clips out of the top trim. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 4 10mm bolts. Using a Phillips head bit, remove all of the screws on the front. Two more on the side. Lift the trim piece up. It's held onto the front bumper with a few clips. We're going to use a trim tool and get in between the two and pop it up. Do the same thing on the other side. There's one last clip in the front. We'll pull straight back and pop it out. Start at one corner of the bumper, grab right on the corner, pop straight out. Work your way around the front, pulling the bumper forward. Go to the other corner, lifting it up and out. Pull the bumper straight forward. Pull the lock back for the ambient air temperature sensor. Just pull it into the unlock position right there. Press down on that black tab and remove the connector. Remove the bumper. We're going to remove the ambient air temperature sensor out of the front lower grille. To do this, we're going to pull from the back side while using a flat blade screwdriver to push these tabs in through the grille and remove the sensor. Using a flat blade screwdriver, we're going to push this pressure clamp off. You can get under the tab and work it off. Do the same thing on the other side. Remove the foam piece. Using a pair of cutters, we're going to cut the back of the rivets off for the license plate bracket. Go around and do this for all 4 rivets. use a punch or a screwdriver and pop all of the rivets through. Go around and do this for all of them. Remove the license plate bracket. Go around the grill, pushing in all of the tabs, pushing it through the front bumper. As you go around doing this, I like to put one hand on the front of the grill and pull it towards the outside. Remove the lower grill. Grab the new grill. If you're going to be installing a license plate bracket, we're going to line this up, get it right in the middle. The bracket will drop into the grill and line it up for you. We want to be right under the silver. Push it down. We're going to use a drill bit that matches our rivet, and we're going to drill all of the holes for the license plate bracket. Using our rivet gun, we're going to install our rivet. Install all 4. Install all 4 rivets. Install the grill into the bumper. Pull it up into place, being sure to set the tabs into the front bumper. Get the lower grill fully seated. Install the ambient air temperature sensor. Push it straight in, give it a pull, make sure it's locked in. Install the foam. Push the clip straight down. Do this on either side. Install the connector for the ambient air temp sensor. Push until you hear a click. Lock it down, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Install the bumper onto the vehicle. Start on one corner. Line it up in the front, push straight on. Go to the other corner, set it into place. Install the top trim piece. Install the middle first. Make sure that tab drops in. Push down along the top. Install the Phillips head screws. Two more on the side. Install the bolts. Install the plastic clips. Install the corner screw for the bumper. Tuck the front fender liner into the front bumper. Install the 3 screws on the side of the fender liner. Install the bottom 2 screws for the front fender liner. Repeat the same process for the corner bolt and the fender liner bolts on the other side, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.